Here is the news about lead magnets. Here is the news, you need to understand this. No one wants huge value. I know it sounds stupid, but no one wants huge value. When you have a huge ebook, 200 pages stacked with value, no one wants that. You know why? When was the last time you read a 200-page ebook? No one reads them. What people really want is a small gesture, a tiny, specific, imperceptibly small, but actionable thing that can have an impact. It is a tasty morsel showing off what you can do. That's what lead magnets should be. It allows them to say, hey, that could be quite useful. I really liked that. And then you swoop in and show them that there's more to it. Don't try and change their world with a huge lead magnet. Give them something small. You'll see they actually really prefer that. Check out more of these videos on how to improve your sales. These little tips are what really made the difference for me.